Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to change TikTok account country or region. If you want to explore content from other country on TikTok, you can use a VPN to switch your virtual location. Just follow these simple steps. Firstly, download a reputable VPN app from the Google Play Store or App Store. You can use NordVPN, Surfshark or ExpressVPN, but today I'm trying Avira VPN. Open the VPN app, then log into your account and select a server in the country you want to browse from. For example, let's do the UK. Now go to your phone settings and disable location tracking to prevent TikTok from using your real location. Remove any previous location data by clearing the cache of TikTok. Just long tap on it and then select clear cache and delete it. And finally, launch TikTok. It may take a little time for the algorithm to adjust, but you should start seeing content from your new region. But for best results, leave TikTok closed for a few minutes after switching regions, then reopen to allow the feed to refresh completely. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Welcome back everyone.